This is how you're going to add a Google Map into your Base44 app. So in this tutorial, we are going to be using the easiest way for you to do this, and that is to use the Base44 chat. So as you can see here, I have already asked Base44 to create a map for me or to add a map for me on the app. So what I'm going to have, it's going to like reply to you with this leaflet or like a section right here wherein you have to approve. So you're just going to click on approve right here, and then it's going to um, create a map for you. So we're just going to wait for the Base44 to respond, and then you can see that Base44 already added an interactive Google Map to the properties page with grid or map view toggle. So the properties now show on the map with clickable markers and pop-ups. So for this one, we're just going to make sure that what it's saying is true. We're going to click on the this drop down arrow right here, and then we're going to click on the properties to check if a map has been added. So we're just going to check how it looks like. This is basically like a preview of what your app looks like. And then as you can see here, from being just a grid, it now added a map into our property section. So we can click on this map right here, and then you can see a clickable an interactive map right here just beside it. And that's it. Basically what you have to do is to just use the chat. You can just use the chat feature by clicking on this icon right here at the top left corner of your screen, and that's it. That is how you can add a Google Map onto your Base44. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.